Keeping your personal thoughts secure is paramount, and the Journal app offers robust options to do just that. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this quick video, we're going to walk you through the simple yet crucial process of locking and unlocking your journal entries on your iPhone, now updated for iOS 18 and later. Let's dive right in. First things first, locate and launch the Journal app on your iPhone. Simply tap on the icon to open it. Once you're in the Journal app, you'll see a list of your existing entries. To access the lock settings, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a three-dot icon, or a menu icon. Tap on this icon. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, find and tap on Lock Journal. If you've previously set a lock on your journal entries, you'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. This is typically the same passcode you use to unlock your device. Just enter it to proceed to the Lock Journal settings. Inside the Lock Journal settings menu, you'll see a simple Lock Journal switch. To enable or disable the locking feature, simply tap on this switch. When the Lock Journal feature is enabled, your journal entries will be secured using your iPhone's biometric authentication. That's either Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your device, or your passcode. To further customize your security, you can set a time duration after which the app will require authentication again. Tap on Require Passcode. Here you can choose how quickly the Journal app will lock after you leave it. You have options for immediately, after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, or after 15 minutes. Select the option that best suits your needs and security preferences. Once you've made your selection, the changes are applied immediately. To test if the lock is working, simply close the Journal app and then relaunch it. Depending on the time duration you selected, you should now be prompted to use your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID to access your journal entries. Note that you can reconfigure these lock settings at any time by following the exact same steps we've just outlined. This gives you full control over the privacy of your journal, and that's all there is to it. Locking and unlocking your journal on your iPhone in iOS 18 is a straightforward process that significantly enhances the privacy of your personal reflections. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful smartphone tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.